Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have yummy crawfish and seafood. So we have some, what is this one? Snow crab, right? I believe it's snow crab. We have some whole blue crabs as well. I don't know how to eat this. We're gonna figure it out. We have some shrimp, and then we have sausage, corn, potatoes, and 3 pounds of crawfish. Danny's over there staring at me awkwardly. It's really good though. You ready? Okay, I'm gonna take a bite of the sausage first. This is so good. No, there's another one here. And they gave me this like spice seasoning. I'm gonna try it. Look at that garlic. It's actually really good. Okay. I'm gonna eat a shrimp. Oh, the the sauce is a little spicy. I'm not very fluid like the other mukbangers. Oh, god damn it. Okay, there we go. That was loud. Okay, let's try it. This is just so good. These are not really cleaned. It's a little salty.
Let's see.
You want any of the shrimp or anything? Okay. Let's attempt to eat this. I don't even know how to even start with this one. Okay. It's really good. Ow. These things are hard. I don't even know. How?
A cracker.
What, a cracker? Let's see. Wow.
10-second rule. 10-second rule.
It's still in the shell. I need better scissors. I never knew it could be so good. Okay, let's try and cut this one now. Oh, we're getting somewhere. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. They make it look so easy.
You gonna bleep that out?
No. Okay. This is actually really hard. How do they make it look so easy? That was hard. Okay. Second guessing my decision. Let's try some corn. Let's take a break. Mmm. That corn is so good. Let's try this again. Ooh, that one was easy. Okay, okay. Yeah! Isn't it delicious? Huh? Thank you. No shit.
There it goes.
Thanks. I was saving that for later. So sorry. I just realized I've been so quiet. We're actually currently in the process of moving, which I'm so excited about. That's why my backdrop looks a little messy. They can be soulmates. This is delicious. This place is actually really good. Ooh. My first baby pool. No! And I ruined it. There's so much garlic, it's so good. So this is actually really messy. I am a fan. I didn't think I was gonna like it very much. Oh, yeah. Wow. I almost choked right now. That would have been funny. I am a fan. Onyx is just like right behind you.
Great.
Trying to get some of this garlic, but it doesn't want to come to me. Oh look, it's a little claw. You want to try and open it? No. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. So I was gonna do a story time. Ow! Ow!
But now you're blind.
But now I'm blind in one eye. As I still eat. But I don't really have any stories. So, yeah, that just didn't go anywhere. And then I was going to talk about how we got engaged. But I feel like I'm going to save that one for whenever you actually want to be on the mukbang. Okay.
Bad dog.
Okay. It's a lot.
You need to eat the crab.
I don't know how to do it yet. That's why I asked you to help me.
You bought food that you don't know how to eat.
Whew. I don't know what to talk about. Okay. All that garlic. Let's clear some of this off. How about we do that? Mm. Mm-hmm. 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 Aww. Oh, shit. Okay, that works. You know, I wonder how many crabs they have to kill to make those crab meat that comes in the packages. Because this is hard.
It's usually imitation.
Huh?
Imitation crab.
Mm-hmm. You don't want your corn? I told you. So this is really messy, by the way. I don't know how all the other mukbangers do it. Maybe they're pros at it. Because I am not. Ooh! Let's get these little ones. Oh, you want this other cluster? You're full. Oh. I'm so bad at this. Oh, there we go. The caption of this video is literally gonna be like me failing at doing a seafood mukbang. Don't know what that green stuff is. Not gonna eat that though. Ew,
Limes.
what is that? That green stuff right there. Not eating it. So, there's actually a lot of food.
Yeah.
I mean, I had nothing to say. So, I'd say it's literally gonna be Dominiqu's failed attempt at becoming a seafood mukbanger.
It was lovely.
Thank you. Thank you. Actually, honestly, this food is just so good. I can't even talk, honestly. Ooh. So we got it from a place called Yummy Crawfish, and we got the Yummynator. It's basically you get 2 clusters of snow crab, you get 2 blue crabs, you get 6 shrimp. The original one comes with mushrooms, but we took the mushrooms out and we just got extra potato. And then I got some sausage added to it, and we added another pound of crawfish. I could put 2 pounds of crawfish as well. And I think what we spent in total with tip and everything, $82. Wasn't that bad. The crawfish is really good. They have like a butter sauce that I think I want to try next time. The garlic butter. Uh-oh. Ew, that was gross. I need to edit that part out. Oh my god, but I do feel like the crawfish might be a little overcooked though, because it's like sticking to the shell.
So good.
You said what?
So good.
They have so much butter. I mean garlic in here. Whew. We killed this crawfish though. See how it's like. I'm just failing at this whole thing. It's so sad. Fucking finally. Why are you staring at me?
I'm not
That's me.
right there.
I know. Hopefully our new place has better lighting. Oh yeah. Oh, this one's just sad. Yeah, I think it's a little overcooked. It's really good though. The crab is really good. So do you prefer Asian style crawfish now that you had it, or Louisiana?
Louisiana.
Why?
Not sure.
Is it like the seasoning's different?
Seasoning. Just the seasoning.
try and do this crab. Let's see. How do we? Ow! Oh my gosh. I honestly don't know how to do this. Ow! God damn it. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. We're just gonna leave these here, and I'll figure that out later.
Alright.
I mean, maybe somebody can leave a comment or something to tell me how to do it. None of this shell wants to come off. Come off for me, baby. Come on. Oh, fuck. Okay. Let's try and do it. Well, guys, I think I'm done. Let me eat this last potato. Mm-hmm. All that garlic. So this was the messiest mukbang I've ever done. And the hardest. But these babies were good. It was delicious. I think I'll save this. And I don't even know how to open this. I think you like pull this back or something, but I feel like I'm hurting it. Ooh, what is that? I honestly don't know. I don't know. Let me eat one more leg for y'all. Ooh. I'm struggling so bad. Okay. Oh. Whew. I don't know how y'all do it. And in such a timely manner, too. Like, I'm already going on 43 minutes. What the fudge? Oh my god. Okay, I'm working with something. I got a little something. Whew, that was hard. Guys, I honestly just don't know. Okay. Oops. Give it up on that one. Oh. Oh. Come to mama. Yes. I'm gonna break you off a piece of something. Oh. That's good though. Nice and sweet. Would you like another piece? Okay. I'm done. Finished. That was a very messy mukbang. So delicious though. But if somebody could please tell me how I eat this thing. These two guys, because now I'm gonna sit here and go on Google and figure out how to eat this. But I feel like he doesn't want to be eaten. I don't know. But yeah. Thank y'all. See y'all next time. Whew, it's been real.